How to switch account on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account on TikTok app instead of log in and log out again. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find switch account. So first thing, to switch account, you have to add another account. Click on this and click on add account. You can add by use phone or email or with Facebook, with Google or with Twitter, whatever you want. Once you are done, click on switch account and switch to account you did add now. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.